Natapos ko rin dito, guys. Look at this. Finally. Pero malaki pa siya, guys. Dito. Meron pa dito. Kailangan pang klinisin. Dito tapos. Pero roses ito, guys. This is roses. Okay. Pero dito. Dito mahirap. Sobrang laki nito. Let's see. Malaki-laki pa ang linisin. Hi guys, good morning guys. Good morning. Masakit pa yung mata ko. Just get up. It's 6:16, just get up. What's wrong with my baby bug? You don't sleep with mama anymore. You don't sleep with mama anymore. What's wrong? Come here, bug. Come here, bug. Come here, he's following me. Come here, bug. Okay. Anyway guys, good morning. Today is Friday. I'm going to my interview today. I hope I'll get it. Yeah, let's see how the work, I don't know the work yet, the total details. That's why I asked them, but they said they will talk to me about it today. So let's see. Anyway guys, I will see you later, and I'm gonna write something what I'm gonna get from Walmart, because I'm gonna get something what I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna do mukbang again. Seems like few of you guys like my mukbang, and I'm gonna do that, and I hope you watch it again. The Misty is lying down at the porch like this, and few steps ahead, just staring at it, there's a baby bird. And then Misty just like this. He just keep blinking, like keep looking. He doesn't even, try to choose the little teeny tiny bird, the baby bird. And it's kind of cold. It's 36 something outside, but I'm sure later on it will be like 50 to 60.
Discover hidden charms. When you're warm on the inside, when it's warm on the outside. Because moments may not
Hey, what are you doing? Come here, come here. Come on, bug. Come here, bug. I kind of still there. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous to do interview, guys. People that pretend that they're not nervous, like they're kind of okay. They're nervous. Who are you kidding? They're human. They just don't like to show feelings. They don't like to. Of course, they're nervous. There is. If they are like so confident, they still have a slight nervous in it. I haven't eaten yet. It's already 7:30, and I feed the dog and the cats. They're all fed. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to eat breakfast. What the heck it is? What the heck? What the heck with me, guys? Breakfast! You eat breakfast! Because you're nervous, you don't wanna eat breakfast, are you stupid? Eat breakfast. Later on, you're gonna be like, oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm shaky. So eat MaryAnn A. Who cares? Yeah, I have to eat. What are you running for? I don't have nothing here. I don't have nothing. Hi guys, I'm just watching vlog. I just had my breakfast. I finished having my breakfast. I had pancakes because my bread is still frozen. It's frozen, my croissants, and also guys, I'm done with my video. Anyway, ay naku, ay don't you dare do that to me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare! A female deer! You're a female deer! She really looks like a deer. But anyway guys, hopefully when I find a job, I'm crossing my finger that I can find a job in job, and also at the same time I can still do daily vlogging, because you know guys, I upload every day guys. There is a video in my channel, but I'm hoping that I can still do that while I have work. I'm able to do daily vlogging. Need to sleep guys. When you're working, you need to go to sleep, you need to relax. And also the editing part, hopefully I can just like no laziness in the edit, and crossing my fingers guys that I can still do daily vlogging and I can still do upload every single day, because I like it guys. I'm so happy that because if ever I don't, this is the thing guys, the daily vlogging, it's really nice, and the edit part is the tiring part. Hi guys, I'm just put something on my face and then I watch video. The problem is when you're watching other people's vlog, you forget that you have to film, you have to do your vlog. So I'm watching Wasabi, and guys, let's keep on watching. I'm gonna keep watching video, and then I'm gonna do fast forward with this because I'm gonna put something on my face, okay? He was crying upstairs because he's the upstairs, and I lock him because there is gate, and he was crying, calling mama, where are you, mama. I love you very much, boy. Okay, now I'm hearing. Welcome to the hearing care. Every time this cat walks on this floor, I can do because it's a wood, so I hear them walking. But anyway, guys, I just talked to Tommy. I think it's time to prepare myself. I'm going to change, guys, because it's ready to go. But I will see you later, guys. I'm just gonna get ready and I will be right back. Bye. Okay, let's go down. Roxy, down. Look at these animals. I will be right back. I will be right back, baby. I will be right back. Okay. Guys, I forgot that I have these shoes. I got this from the Philippines. Yeah, I forgot that I have this. Holy cow. So thankfully I found it. Instead of that shoes, I need to wash it. That's my sneakers, and that need to be washed. It's kind of chilly out, but you know what? It's chilly, and that's life. That is life. And you know what I forgot? I forgot my sunglasses. It's sunny out. Yeah. I'll see you later. I will see you later. I can't even reach anything. For that, I'm gonna put the address and my phone. It's freezing. Thankfully, Tommy gave me this. Tommy gave me the cell phone holder, just in case, you know. Oh, it's lubat, so I will see you later. Bye bye. Let's go out. Come here. Let's go out. Let's go out. Guys, I am back. Focus on me, camera, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm back, guys. I just get home and I will tell you the interview, which is I don't take the job. Sad. I don't take it for some reason. I know caregiving thing is not hard, it's not easy. I know that already, but first there is something that you won't take, especially if it's for safety, you know, for safety and stuff like that. And because the woman told me that actually the daughter of the patient told me that her mother, it is too much to handle. It's too much to handle, and because it's not really easy, and she explained to me everything. Yeah, I don't want to expect, like, you know, it's an easy job. You know, I never expect anything that's easy. It's really, how do you call that, challenging. It's very challenging job, and I know that because I had an experience of short experience. It's a part-time experience from taking care of elderly. She explained to me that her mother will throw stuff to you, she will call you names and everything, she will hit you, she will do like that, and very uncooperative. I understand that elderly, mostly in that age, is very uncooperative. Now I understand why. Because when I look at their ads, they have different kind of ads, you know, that they closed before, and then suddenly they're hiring again, and then few days again they're hiring again. I saw in their ads there is few people apply, and then they quit, and they rehire again, staff rehired people again. And I understand that because I work with people. I worked before, guys, with elderly that calls you names, stuff like that, but not to the point that he will throw something to me, or you know, hit you or stuff like that, you know, like. And then the woman said, if you're hiding, the daughter said, if you go hide in the bathroom, you can't hide to the bathroom, because she will just go over there with her wheelchair, she will find you. And I was thinking this is gonna be hard. So she said she want direct to the point, she want, you know, be honest if I can take the job or not. And I told her, the way you're telling me, I handle stuff like that, calling me names, but for safety, for my safety and for her safety, because, you know, if she will just keep running at me, running towards me and hitting me, throwing stuff out, I end up like not paying attention, because I go like crazy, like hiding somewhere. And so yeah, that's what I was thinking. And I told her, I can't, I'm sorry. I told her I'm sorry, and I'm sorry that I waste her time and stuff like that. And it's better that way, that we are very honest. Or I'm not taking the job like, okay, let's try, okay, let's do it, I can do it, like that, la la la. But in the end, in a few days from now, I'm gonna say, I can't handle this, I'm sorry. Then they're gonna go crazy. And even people that worked for her before, they said they have a lot of experience. They said, I can do that, I can do that, I can handle that. But they end up, they can't, guys. They end up now, they can't handle it. Hirap guys, maghanap. Hirap pala, guys. Now it's really hard to look for a job. Let me see how much I spent for this. Let's weigh. Okay, total. What? It's really expensive. 574. Ay nako, nagdadrama naman ito eh. May nagsabi, guys. Somebody comment on my video. I don't know, I forget it. That was a while ago. Uwi daw ako. Ay, naging uwi na ako. Uwi na ba ako? Hindi naman ako uwi. Uy, ua lang ako, si ua o si ui. Nagdulog kagabi. Ang ui niya is ui, like eagle. Ui, sis. Pag magsabi ka ng ua, hindi ui. Ua. Oy, alam nyo ba na, you know, before I was like, you know, doing OA. Like, when I said OE is like OE, like eagle. I just realized when I starting how to know how to spelling. Acting is like A, apple. Okay, now, I'm gonna try this. This is a seafood, spicy seafood flavor. Okay, flavor. This is what it looks like. And I wanna do mukbanging, and I just, you know, I like doing mukbang, and I like it, guys, when you guys are laway-laway. I like it because I love watching mukbang now. I think that was a few weeks ago. I don't know if you watched my video. You know, I upload video every day, and I do this mukbang thing. Mommy Tang! I love her. The dog are watching me. Mommy Tang! I love watching her. Now I started looking for mukbang. I started looking for You know, first I tried like doing a video of doing mukbang. Or not even, I don't even know what is mukbang means. I just tried to like doing a video with, you know, like, you know what I mean, like eating portion and talking and answer some of the questions. And then I kind of like it. I enjoy it. I watched the mukbang. I watched the video. I enjoy it myself. So why not doing myself? And I enjoy doing it, eating, and then, you know, talking to you guys and answer some questions and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna post something on Facebook, and then meron ba kayong questions guys about life? Nag-film ako ngayon. Sige, go hey. Kung wala naman, okay lang yaw na lang ko dere. Anyway guys, okay, I posted that, and then I'm gonna do filming later on. I kinda just love watching the mukbang eating thing video, and then it makes me more hungry. You know. Look, did you see my face, guys? That's why I kinda beg. I kinda beg. I kinda beg. Miss this eyes like this. He's still looking up. I'm calling my mother-in-law. I think the phone, she doesn't hang up the phone properly. Because it doesn't ring and it just go direct to voicemail. And now I'm calling her phone number and doesn't ring. Okay guys, my brother my husband just called me. When I say my brother, my husband just called me, and he told me that my sister-in-law called my mother-in-law, and my sister-in-law told my mother-in-law to hold on, and yeah, and then she ended up hanging up, I guess. I don't know. She ended up hanging up, and then my mom just kept waiting for somebody in the other line to say, hi, I'm back. So she never hung up the phone. So that's what I'm thinking. She doesn't hang up the phone, and then that's why no one can call her. Hi guys! Tapos na akong mag-film ng kain-kain guys. That's the episode 3 because I make it like episode kind of thing. So anyway, so I'm done with that. I kept trying to call my mother-in-law, but she hasn't answered the phone. What do you think you're doing, Rox? This camera is so dirty. The camera is so dirty, guys. Wow. I see. Come on. You don't hang up the phone after Isabel because, you know, like that. I've been, there's no ring and there's no ringing. Said, oh, the phone has been ringing. But you know, but you're calling to your phone, so I didn't. Whatever.
I've explained to her. Yeah, you said who's calling you, and you common sense. You try and call us back.
Masakit yung mata ko, guys. I don't know why my eyes hurt. Poor babies. They're crying. Those baby birds, I feel bad. If they can eat something that I can give them, I will. But Tammy said, I saw the mother the other day. That was yesterday when I was gardening. I saw the mother bringing some big bee. Do you see sorry? Do you see sorry now? Sorry, we no tandulan. Anyway guys, I will see you later guys. good evening, guys. It's 9:05 already, and I'm going to sleep. And I'm going to bed, guys. Inom muna tayo ng water. I'm gonna get up early tomorrow morning, very early, because I'm going to pick my mother-in-law, and the plan is I'm going to the other house very early that I can see my husband. That's the plan. Come here, Dimpler. Dimpler, come here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow early in the old house, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow, and bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Good night.